No one likes a rusty bumper. Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro shop here, and today I want to highlight a product that we're super proud of, and it's our stainless steel bumper set. As you can see from this picture, from this bumper here, the biggest issue with the Figaro bumpers is they corrode inside out. And this is just from design. As they're mounted to the car, you kick up all the dirt, it traps itself in here and they rust inside out. So when you start seeing little spots of rust like this, that's usually it's too far gone. That is rusting from the inside out, and before you know it, there'll be a big hole here. So, exclusively to us here at the Figaro shop, we now have stainless steel bumpers. So these are made of 304 stainless steel, and they are polished to a mirror shine, so you wouldn't know they weren't chrome. They're thicker in material. Look, if I can just compare the two together. So they're going to be a far harder wear, and they're much stronger. They come with a full fitting kit, and this is completely stainless steel, so every nut and bolt. So you have these big bolts here. If I just take these out of the packet, you have these big bolts here. These are the ones that are going to go underneath, so you'll never see them. And then you have these smaller ones, which are basically exactly like the original bolt, and these ones will sit on the top like this. So they look just like the original one did. They come as a kit of all 6 pieces, so you'll have this one here, which is your rear centre with the exhaust cut out. You have your front centre, and then each individual corner, and they're specific to each corner. Really simple to fit. When it comes to fitting it themselves, what we recommend is put the set together, so a front set together, but bolt it together loosely, offer it up to the car, ensure that it's exactly how you want it to do, and then tighten everything up. And that's it. The only thing maintenance-wise is keep them polished. Being stainless steel, you can polish them as much as you like to keep that mirror shine. You can wax them, you can ceramic coat them, whatever you like, and they will last longer than the car. Like all of our products, please make sure you check all of our inventory out at the Figaro shop's website, which is www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk, and then you can select the parts department. And if you need any help from me, drop me an email on my direct email, which is sales@thefigaroshop.co.uk. Thank you.